What's up guys, it's TFTest channel. Today I am reviewing the brand new Samsung Galaxy S10, the Prism green color. I really love it guys. I'm totally love two colors. One is the Prism green and other one is the Prism white. But this green color only available on China. Well guys, this review is the first smallly check the phone side by side and small features. Finally I'm show the camera samples. Well guys, don't waste your time. First look the display. Display is a 6.2 inches 2K resolution display. On the display top side is a punch hole camera here. It's a 10 megapixel of the camera. Display bottom side is a small chin here. It's not bad, but it's a little bit thinner chin. Yep, it's not bad. On the phone main feature, it's a edge screen. I really love the edge screen. Phone right side power button here, and the bottom side speaker grills and Type-C port and headphone jack here. Phone left side volume locker keys and the Bixby button here. Okay guys, let's look the phone. Okay, this video title is the Prism Green Galaxy S10. Look guys, it's really amazing color. I really love it. And you look the phone and just tell the phone specs. This phone is the Snapdragon 855 7nm chipset processor, and the basic variant is the 8 GB of the RAM and 128 GB of the storage. Up to 256 available only for the Galaxy S10. You want to buy Galaxy S10 Plus is up to 1 TB storage available and 12 GB of the RAM. Okay, what do you think guys? Do you like Prism white color or Prism green? My first thought is my opinion. I really love it, the Prism green color. Your opinion comment in the comment section below. Okay, let's jump into the camera section. Camera, totally 3 camera here on the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, and the main camera is a 12 megapixel, secondary camera is a telephoto lens 12 megapixel, last one and the new one is a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. Okay guys, I am uploading a new separate video for the full tip camera review on this Galaxy S10. Okay guys, let's quick look at the camera. I really love guys the color saturation and the screen optimization sensor is really incredible. It's a my thought, and the camera quality is really amazing guys. And just to show the video samples only, and you watch the video sample and what's your opinion, comment in the comment section below.
你不要看我，小公举你就自己走自己，不用管我。等一下，来，等会儿啊，1、2、3，酒店是3361，这儿3361，你看我们还得上楼，然后，哇，第一次住这种，简直就是。 哇，害怕，太可怕了！你看这外面还带了一个小。